It's now time for Section 1. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Now, earlier we had the toss and St. John the Baptist Prep 1 and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with St. John the Baptist. Shadrach was the name given by the Babylonians to one of the 3 Hebrew boys thrown into a fiery furnace. But what was his Hebrew name?
Misha.
Incorrect, Hananiah. Portmore Missionary. Azariah was the Hebrew name given to one of the 3 boys thrown into a fiery furnace. What was his Babylonian name?
Michelle.
Incorrect. Abednego. St. John the Baptist, International Affairs, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify which country's map is displayed.
Barbados.
Correct. Portmore Missionary, International Affairs, also a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify which country's map is displayed.
Trinidad and Tobago.
Correct. Science, St. John the Baptist. Is COVID-19 caused by a virus or bacteria?
Virus.
Correct. Portmore Missionary. Science, is dengue fever a viral or bacterial infection?
Bacterial.
Incorrect. Viral infection. St. John the Baptist Television, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify the cartoon character.
Black Widow.
Incorrect. Black Canary from Batman the Brave and the Bold. Portmore Missionary Television, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Batmite.
From Batman the Brave and the Bold. That's correct. English language, St. John the Baptist. Spell distasteful.
Distasteful.
Incorrect. Distasteful. Portmore Missionary, English language. Spell ungrateful.
Ungrateful.
Correct. Music, a visual question, St. John the Baptist. Look at the monitor and identify this singer.
Chris Rock.
Incorrect. Stevie Wonder. Portmore Missionary, music, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this singer.
Will Smith. James Bond.
Incorrect. Lionel Richie. General knowledge. St. John the Baptist, which global media company uses the abbreviation BBC?
British Broadcasting Corporation. British Broadcasting Corporation.
Correct. Portmore Missionary, general knowledge. Which global media company uses the abbreviation AP?
Arm Policy.
Incorrect. Associated Press. St. John the Baptist. Social Studies. The highest point of the Blue Mountain Peak in Jamaica is located on the border of which 2 parishes?
Portland and St. Andrews? Portland and St. Thomas.
Correct. Portmore Missionary. Social Studies. Apart from Portland and St. Thomas, in which other Jamaican parish are parts of the Blue Mountain Range?
St. Andrew. St. Mary.
Correct. St. John the Baptist, music. Which female artist recorded the song Run the World, Girls?
Beyonce.
Correct. Portmore Missionary, music. Which female artist recorded the song Birthday?
Tally Cobb. Taylor Swift.
Incorrect. Katy Perry, mathematics. And we don't have time for any more questions. That's the end of Section 1, and the scores are Portmore Missionary Prep on 4 and St. John the Baptist Prep on 5. Now, before we head to a quick break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Review your material for a test several days ahead of time. If you revise in small chunks and use different methods, you will not have to cram before an exam. A friendly tip there from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. We'll have more when we return.